Hi children, welcome to English video class. This is Jyoti. I taught you first poem. What is the poem? Ice Cream Man. Okay, I hope you understood that poem. But many of you like cartoons, okay, pictures, animations. So that's why I want to show you this poem with full colorful pictures with an ice cream man, with his cart, everything children. So please observe carefully and then read that poem so that it will be very easy to you. Okay, please watch it carefully children.
The Ice Cream Man poem. Dear children, can you guess what season it is? Yes, it is the summer season. What do you like to have during summer? Coffee or ice cream? Yes, I know you all like ice cream. Do you know who sells the ice cream? Yes, it's the ice cream man. Let's see about him in this poem. The Ice Cream Man. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round, as thick as honey bees. Hello children, did you enjoy the poem? Okay, now let's see the explanation of the poem Ice Cream Man. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the hot sun make everyone to feel the heat like the flame of heat on bricks from the brickyard. The ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. The ice cream man came with his beautiful little cart. The wheels of the cart makes the trundling sounds on the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! Wow, under the umbrella you can see the colorful drinks and creamy ice creams. Oh, it's very joyful to see. To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. It looks wonderful when the ice cream man fill the cones with mounds of ice creams in brown and white colors. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink. The ice cream man had different flavors of ice creams and colorful chilled drinks. Dear children, can you guess what flavors may be in his cart? Yes, it's vanilla flavor, chocolate flavor, and strawberry flavor. from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. There are different flavors and colors of chilled drinks in the bottles like green, orange, white, and pink. All the chilled bottles makes a hissing and bubbling sound while opening. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The poet compares the little beautiful cart as a wonderful flower bed filled with beautiful roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round, as thick as honey bees. When the ice cream man enters the street, all the children run towards him like honey bees.
Children, okay now? Is it excited? Okay, are you excited, children? Is it nice? Yes, it is very nice, no? Okay, children, I told you next lesson also, na? Okay, what is that? Wonderful waste. Okay, that lesson is good only, na? So, I want to show you that lesson with full animation. Okay, so please observe this animation clear. Okay, animation, children, so that you play it twice or thrice, so that it will be very, very easy to you. Okay, please observe this.
What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? Maharaj, they are waste. We will throw them away. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. What to do now? Oh, I have an idea. I will wash all the bits and pieces and clean them well. Then I cut them in long strips. Do you know who am I? I am the narrator of the story. Okay, let us continue the story. The cook did the same. He washed all the bits and pieces of the vegetables and then he put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. Ah, a tempting smell is coming from the pot. Now, let me whip some curd and add it to the curry. I should also pour a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and garnish this dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish is ready. What a tasty dish it is. I'm eager to know the name of the new dish. Hey, cook! Cook! What is the name of this dish? It is very tasty. Please tell me the name of this dish. The name of this dish. The name of this dish is avial. Avial, yeah, avial.
Okay, children, have you enjoyed this? Okay, did you like this animation, children? Yes, no? Yes, it is very nice, no? Okay, I hope you understood this ice cream man poem and then this wonderful waste lesson very easily. Okay, then just play this video 2 times or 3 times, children. Then read the textbook clearly. Then read all the question and answers carefully. Okay, watch them thoroughly. Read them thoroughly. Okay, na? Okay, children, bye.